friends, I am Dr. Rajiv Ranjan. I am pediatrician working at Nidan Mother and Child Care, Noida. Dear friends, this is time of pandemic. We are going through second phase of corona, and I have chosen a topic of building immunity of child. So immunity is very important thing, and every mother should know how to build immunity of the child. So basically, whenever any virus or any bacteria enters in our body tends to fight, and it all depends upon how much immunity you have. So immunity plays very important role in fighting with that ongoing disease. So friends, mother should know three aspects of this. The very important first aspect is breastfeeding. We encourage breastfeeding in all babies because breastfeeding is very useful for kids. It has got lot of antibodies which helps in fighting the disease. Secondly, it plays important role in weight gain of the baby. Third, immunity becomes more strong with breastfeeding. So breastfeeding plays lot of different aspects in building the immunity. The mother feed is easily digestible, and that helps in baby to fight with colic also. As we know that top milk or formula milk gives lot of colic to the newborn. So breastfeeding should be encouraged. It should be initiated as early as possible. As we know that breastfeeding, mother breast milk contains colostrum, which is very useful for kids. So breastfeeding is the first aspect we should thought and we should discuss with you. So please encourage breastfeeding, and you should burp the child well so that gas is passed. Second aspect of this building immunity is vaccination. During pandemic, I am just saying that a lot of patients are missing their scheduled vaccination. We should always go for vaccination of all the diseases because that plays an important role in building the immunity, that gives counter immunity to all the viral or bacterial infections we have. Now we are having so many vaccinations like pneumococcal, meningococcal, DPT groups are there, meningitis vaccine is there, rotavirus, which has substantially decreased the hospital stay. These are all rotavirus oral drops. They help in decreasing the hospital stay for kids. So please go for vaccinations, and I would like to advise you in the DPT group, please take wholesale component of DPT group that has got wider coverage. So please go for vaccination to build the immunity towards that particular disease. Third aspect is nutrition. So nutritional supplements and what we having in the diet plays important role in building the immunity. I will advise all the parents to give good amount of protein. Keep your baby hydrated. Good amount of proteins, vegetables and hydration really helps you to build the immunity, and this is can't be done in overnight. This is a regular process. This is a continuous process. So please encourage your kids to have proper meal, and proper meal where protein should be 40% of the diet. So just give lot of water and build the immunity of child so that even some pandemic comes, we can easily fight with that pandemic. Building immunity and giving good amount of vegetables, vitamins and vitamin D3. This is we have seen that lot of babies are having low vitamin D3 because we hardly get sun exposure. So we should always supplement iron, multivitamins and vitamin D3 to all our kids. You should have yearly checkup of all the vitals, all the levels of these vitamins in our kids. So you can have general checkup of that. We have to be very sincere in this because we have lost many lives this year in second wave of corona. Stay healthy, be very wise, and please build the immunity of the society.